Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 42 Oakdale Drive in Brighton.
This is a spectacular Brighton dream home updated to perfection.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
The stunning architecture of this home is just beautiful, with iconic columns setting the tone for this stately home as you enter into a spacious foyer.
This designer eat-in kitchen is a chef's dream. With beautiful cabinetry, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances with a double oven and 2 dishwashers. A double swinging door leads to a formal dining room with crown molding and built-ins. Open to a spacious living room with a gorgeous fireplace, built-ins, and an adjacent sunroom with a wall of windows, all with beautiful hardwood floors. The first floor also features a spacious family room with exposed brick and an adjacent powder room.
The upstairs features 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this private owner's suite with a wall of closets and a stunning designer bathroom, plus a finished 3rd floor bonus room for added living space or potential 4th bedroom.
This peaceful, fully fenced private backyard features an expansive deck with a pergola, a water feature, and exquisite landscaping with a 3-season perennial garden. This is nature at its best. Bel Air is an exceptional neighborhood in Brighton, known for its mature trees, sidewalks, and charming street lamps, just steps away from beautiful Cobbs Hill Park.
Here we are at the 12 corners of Brighton.
It has great restaurants, shops, and nearby Brighton schools. What a great place to live! Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 42 Oakdale Drive in Brighton.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!